My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm doing day in the life of a plumber. I've come to install a new boiler. I'm taking out this Worcester Bosch Boiler, and we're going to install a new boiler. What I'll do is I'll show you the system first. I'll show you what we're taking out. This is an open vent system. It's quite a big system, this system. So what I'll do is we'll have a look at that. We'll measure water flow. Customer wants the boiler removing from here, and they want it to go in the garage. I'll show you that as well. So we need to move some pipe work and change the system. They also want a combi boiler fitting in here, but this is quite a large house with a number of bathrooms. So we'll have a look at that as well. I'll measure float water first, and then we'll see what we could have if we're going to put a combi in, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. Let's have a look at that now. Before I check the water flow with my flow cup, I've just found the stop tap and I've made sure that that is fully open. And now I'm going to check the flow rate of the water. Got about 20 litres a minute on there. The boiler's in that cupboard there, which is, and then if we come here, we've got these steps up here, and this is where the airing cupboard is. So all this is going to come out. At the moment, you can see there we've got a power shower pump, we've got a hot water cylinder. If you've got any questions about this hot water cylinder, if you ask them in comments below, and I'll try and add them in the next video. What we know that pipes are going to come across here where this laminate floor is, so that might need to be lifted up. And then above here we've got tanks, so there's 2 tanks up there that we need to remove. We've got a air separator in there. This time, if you can have a look, we've got us on the left there, we've got the expansion, and on the right we've got the cold feed. It's also got a filter. That filter's been fitted on the floor, if we look at it there. So pumps down towards filter and towards the zone valve. And again, as always, that will be A and B. B for bath, so B will go to coil, and then A will go to the heating system. So we need to connect onto this and get this to where we're going to put our new boiler. We're going to put the new boiler in the garage. The garage is, if we go over here, about this corner here is where it goes down to the garage, and then the boiler will be over here, but obviously on the floor below. So I'll show you that now. I've measured this with the tape measure, and I'm hoping that we can get pipes to come down in this corner here, and then down this wall and across here, and then put his new boiler on the wall here. That's his gas pipe there. I'm going to have to move that. And then this wall is thermalite blocks. This, I'm going to have to do something about that as well. I've just lifted the carpet up at top of the steps here before we start to do out with this and start draining it down. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the hot water flow before we start. At the moment, this is what we've got from the hot tap. So I've got about 4 or 5 litres a minute, which is not good. If we have a look in the other bathroom, again we've got about 4 litres a minute. It's about 6 litres a minute. So as we can see on there, the hot water at the moment is not very good at all. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a new boiler in the garage. I'm going to put a Viessmann 111 in there. First of all, I'm going to stud that wall out and strengthen the wall, because the Viessmann 111 is quite heavy. What I'll do is, if you've got any questions, please ask them in comments below, and then what I'll do is, on the next video, I'll try and add and answer any questions that you've got. If you've got any questions with cylinder in here, where any pipes go, or not like that, then just ask. If you want me to add quite in depth into the next video about the cylinder or any bits, as I say, just ask, and I'll try and include as much as I can. Thanks for watching.